almost too easy.
Here they come.
Your life ends, mine continues.
Hope you're ready, Farron.
For mercy in this world. That up there is the entrance to her chambers.
Looks like it.
So, when you master Shinon, does it give you the power to fly? If so, this is the perfect moment to show me, Boji.
I'm saving the best for last. Well, we can worry about how to get up there, while searching for the part of Ingla's spirit that her general carries. Oh, but don't worry. As far as I know, Ingla couldn't fly either. So there has to be some way up there.
Feeling better already. Astounding. There is always
come
more
back
to
again
find.
later.
No distance is too far! Astounding. There is always more to find. Hear my call, Mannonite! Oh, I could add this to my collection.
This wakes memories. Here they come.
Feeling better already.
Why have you forsaken me?
There is no hiding from the observer.
Mennonite! Shake the earth!
You don't take one step further!
Let's make you tremble!
No, this is not over.
Let's see how you handle this! So I live another day.
This wakes memories. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go!
Kill the heathen!
Stronger and stronger!
and stay here for a while.
Whew, that's fast. Can't complain, though.
You sounding happy. What's going on?
Of course I am. When we've defeated him, we only have to worry about how to get to Ingler. And then we will be able to leave this hot, uncomfortable place.
When you talk about it, it almost sounds too easy. You know that you still have to beat him.
Yeah. Just awaken him.
At least you stop grumbling.
You've got to be kidding me! There are 3 instead of 1? Sucks, but okay. But why are they running away? Come back, you stupid snakes, and fight me!
Seems like our luck didn't hold up.
Oh, it never does. No time to waste. I'll follow them.
Wait. Do you see the fog?
Yes, Boji, I do. I'm not blind.
It's poisonous. But Eri taught me that this region grows plants that help against it. At least for a certain time.
Great. Poisonous fog. This is just wonderful. I'm starting to miss the mines.
Oh, I do not. This week's memories.
Let's shake things up!
Farron, this is the plant I talked about.
I'm supposed to eat this?
If you want to survive, yes.
But why does it have to smell this horrible? It smells like you, but wet.
You think? I don't think it's that bad. Maybe it tastes better.
Over there is one of the flowers, right? So, I'll just have to make my way from one to the other before the poison can get to me again. Hey, will you be alright, Boji? I haven't seen you eating one of them.
Oh, how sweet of you to worry. Poison can't harm me. It never could. Even when I was still a normal wolf.
Lucky you. Ugh, it tastes disgusting.
Good medicine always.
I don't want to hear it. Almost there. So, finally done with playing hide and seek. Nice effort, but the result will be the same. You dead, me alive.
See, there you go again. So dramatic. Remember to take your medicine. Look out!
Let's make you tremble! Always good to see one of them. Not like this!
Just a few steps. Time to continue.
Feeling better already. carry a small part of Ingla's spirit with me. Everything around me seems to have changed. I feel every particle around me. Even the air. There is no emptiness. All space is filled equally with existence. I feel like I will now know what those Xenon clouds really hide.
Your powers probably work much different than mine. But using them near one of the Xenon clouds sounds like a good next step.
What's this?
Seems to be the Xenon eye from the lizard. We should take it with us, just in case. Now, let's search for an entrance to Ingla's temple.
Always good to see one of them. Anything can change. Whoa! Astounding. There is always more to find.
I see. This truly is the place where Ingla did all her research.
But there are only plants.
Because that was her speciality. Besides Xenon, of course. Ingla always enjoyed making all kinds of concoctions and medicine to keep everyone healthy and help with their ills. At least in the past, she did.
Not bad. It seems she really cared for this place. It's in a good condition even after so many years.
Now, we could go to Ingla, if I just knew the way. But with your strength and my wits, we should have no problem finding it. Hey, Farron. Farron West, are you even listening?
These towers weren't there before, right?
You're right. They were previously hidden by the Xenon. Let's go explore them.
Right. We will find our way.
So you did listen?
Tasty.
This wakes memories. You don't take one step further! Here they come. Here they come.
Barely feel it. I was supposed to go much farther. Astounding. There is always more to find. Let's shake things up! Astounding. There is always more to find.
This wakes memories. Oh, I can't stand the sight of them. Those shitty clones.
Whoa, whoa! I think this is the first time I heard you swearing. Seems I'm rubbing off on you. Should I be worried? Or proud?
I guess both. It's just hard to believe that such horrible things exist. May their spirits find into the flux.
Why have you forsaken me?
Here they come.
Don't worry, you'll barely feel it.
This week's memories.
Tasty. Anything can change.
Ready for it. Not lose. Here they come. Ready for it.
Tasty.
Hope you're ready for it. down.
You can't escape. Have you forsaken me? There is no hiding from the observer.
Nothing can hide from me.
Understand your goal. Until now hidden away. See how it comes to the light of day.
The lizard eye we have should fit into the socket. Well, I wouldn't mind some help.
Wait! What if this is a trap?
From who? Ingla? I doubt it. Unless she has defossilized herself. And what do we have to lose anyway?
Don't blame me if something goes wrong. But you're right. We have no choice.
See? This certainly was helpful. Though not pleasant. I'll have to hunt down those other scaly monsters as well.
Seems like it.
What are you thinking about?
From what we saw, we can only enter the middle tower. If we go and activate the other one first.
Could be. Then let's go. Poisonous fog and disgusting plants. What fun. Grows thicker around here. You think?
Most likely.
Oh, I can't wait to beat it up for making me search this long.
And making you eat those icky plants.
He will pay double.
I need some alternative to this. Wake up!
Nothing can hide from me. Another living place of the Acreans. You know, their houses remind me of some of the clay huts in some of the rural areas outside. But these ones here are more sophisticated, even with the few materials they used. Boji, you told me what happened with the Elisine, but what of the Acreans? You never said what became of them.
Because I don't have the answer. I only know that when I left the tower and Eri behind, on his wish to save me from the shockwave, they were already gone.
It continues to baffle me how sheltered you were.
I just wanted to help Eri where I could. Back then, other things didn't matter as much.
No distance is too far! Mennonite! Shake the earth! No escape! Astounding. There is always more to find. Freeze!
Thank you, Eri, for leaving us behind.
No escape! Tasty. thing. You know, in a place like this, even I wouldn't mind staying. Well, at least for a while.
Who would have thought that Ingla gave a place like this to the Acreans?
I never knew Akria had such a wide sky. Oh, and the fresh grass. The scent is so nice.
Scent? I don't smell anything.
Let's make you drown!
Farron, I have a bad feeling about this place.
Why? Angry that you didn't know Ingler as well as you thought? Oh, Boji, you're paranoid.
No, I'm worried because this place feels wrong. Almost like... Could it be?
What now?
Farron, strike against that tree. Trust me.
What? All right, if you say so.
It really was an illusion.
You mean all that was a lie?
A trick to keep the Acreans under control. They probably never knew the truth, wondering why they saw the sun but never felt it.
Ugh! This is disgusting! Playing games with the weaker? She will pay for it! I will make her pay for it!
If Eri had seen it, he would have broken the illusion much earlier.
He would have? Do you truly think he never saw this? Even though he knew his so-called siblings better than anyone? He didn't break the illusion. You did.
I did. You're right. This was my decision and your sword. It was us who broke through.
That's what I want to hear. Let's leave. I am sick of these shadows and lies. Always good to see one of them.
Thank you, Acreans, for all the gifts you left